Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Or if you guys are new over here, then welcome back to my YouTube channel once again. If you are struggling in English, don't worry, I'm also struggling in English. We still work together in English. We still learn together in English with a real life experience. Don't worry, I'm also with you. I am also beginner in English. I have a consistency in English. I am trying to speak in English with a real life experience. Whatever near me, I will try to them sentences, right? So don't worry. So right now I am so enthusiastic, right? Because this is my 12th videos. I have consistency in English. I thought that time I am no consistency in English. Can I upload a video in YouTube platform? Am I right? I tell myself I am wrong or not, and it is possible. And can I speak in English? But when I started to trying to speak English, this day I am feel very enthusiastic, right? So I learn one vocab, right? Enthusiastic, right? The spelling of enthusiastic, you can see here this is spelling enthusiastic, right? Why the spelling? Oh, sorry, I covered my video. Sorry. You can see Enthusiastic. Sorry, the plane is flying in the sky. That is why I am so much sorry. The spelling of enthusiastic, Enthusiastic. Enthusiastic mean happy, right? So right now I am feel enthusiastic, and so you can also try to speak this method help us incredible if we try to speak in English. So if we are beginner in English, it's okay. Please, you can learn this way. I'm also learn this way. No worry, nobody born perfect. We should work smartly, hardly, it's okay, but we should try to speak in English, right? Speak. We can listen from other, right? So one of the most important is listening, right? If we listen to other, we can know what they are saying. So listening is very important skill. And second is speaking, writing. So right, so I forget spelling and forget vocabs. That why I am trying to write in my notebook, in my copy, right? And that is why I wrote already. And you can also try this method. Enthusiastic mean enthusiastic, right? Enthusiastic. And so nobody is here to describe anything, but whatever I will talk. So yeah, life is a journey. So was also big I was also poor in English. I am very shy person. I i am not shy in myself, but I am shy in front of other. So I am also hesitate to record video. You can also watch my first videos. You can also watch there, and you can also know this video, and you can also watch. And and here is I wrote vocabs, right? Rate, market, school, park. I try to speak. I am trying to make sentences. Read, Red is my favorite color. Red is symbol of love. Yeah, right? And red is a very powerful color to attract whatever. And see, her favorite color is red. My mom always my mother always likes red color, red sari, etc. You can try to speak in English. It's okay. Forget about your mistake, forget about your grammar, forget about your pronunciation, forget about your vocabulary first of all. And right now I'm also trying to speak vocabulary, right? It's okay. But we should try to speak in English. We should forget about all. Forget about everything. First of all, we should think in English. Think, listen is just right now I am right? And market. Do you like go to market? Yes, of course. And he's going market right now. Market is very beautiful when night is when we go at the night, right? Whatever. I have a mistake, I know, but it's okay. Try is a very powerful weapon. If we try to something, it help us amazing. So yeah, school. School is my favorite place, right? I love school. I want to go to school, but I can't because I am a very young, right? When I was very small, no, 10th standard, I like school. I love school, but right now also I want to go to school, but I'm not. I am. My is going at rapidly change. Time never come. Yeah, that is why I can't go to school. Park. I want to go to park. I want to refresh when I go to park, right? Park has lots of things to play football, right? To play football, to play basket for children, right? Children's, yeah. So can also try this method. Yeah, you can also try this method. And um my favorite color is red, and other is yellow. Yellow is my most favorite color. I love yellow color, but red is also my favorite color, right? So what is your favorite color? Comment in inbox. Sorry, comment inbox. Am I right? Comment in inbox. You can also comment. Okay. Okay, so thank you so much for watching this video. I am so happy. You, if we listen to me carefully, I will improve next video. Please comment to me when where I am wrong in these videos, when I am right in these videos. If you comment to me, I will improve next video, right? So judge is very important to every action. Yeah. So you can also try to speak in English with my journey. So yeah. So bye bye. Have a good night. Have See you next videos. Uh, yeah, this is amazing time, right? So we are also growing English journey videos, right? So bye bye. Have See you next video.